100 episodes. Honestly, I can hardly believe it. When I started Almost Martha, I didn't set out to be perfect. I wasn't trying to be a celebrity chef or a television personality. I just wanted to cook, to learn, to share stories, and maybe encourage people to try something new in their kitchens. Over the years, we've made many recipes together. Comfort food, celebration food, family recipes, French pastries that tested my patience, cookies from my childhood, cakes full of Irish goodwill, pasta, pies, soups, breads, and dishes connected to history and memory. Somewhere between all the butter, flour, and late-night editing sessions, this became something much bigger than recipes. Almost Martha became about curiosity, about the joy of learning, about gathering people around a table, and about realizing that perfection isn't really the goal anyway. Because the truth is, some of the best moments happen when things aren't flawless. The sauce breaks, the cake sinks a little, you improvise, you laugh, you keep going. 100 episodes later, I'm still learning, still experimenting, and still occasionally making a mess in my kitchen. But I'm also more grateful than I can say. Grateful for every person who watched, commented, cooked along with me, encouraged me, or simply spent a few minutes in this little kitchen corner of the world. So this celebration isn't just about 100 episodes. It's about the community we built together. And the good news? We are just getting started. So happy 100th episode. And thank you for being part of Almost Martha.